Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by selecting exactly what you need, not more. Click and drag or press Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow to extend a range. This saves cleanup later. Once highlighted, press Ctrl plus C or right-click and choose Copy. Notice the marching ants so you know Excel captured the range. Make sure you understand whether you copied values, formulas, or formats, because that choice determines what happens when you paste. If you need headers, include them now. Otherwise, exclude them to avoid mismatched columns. Once done copying, position the active cell where the data should land. You can press Ctrl plus V for a default paste, but use Paste Special with Ctrl plus Alt plus V to control the how. Choose values to strip formulas, formulas to keep logic, formats to apply styles, or transpose to flip rows and columns. Make sure the target area matches the source size, or use Insert Copied Cells to shift content without overwrite. If you rely on shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V, then hit the letter for your choice to paste quickly. To finish, inspect pasted cells so formulas and formatting behave as expected. You must verify relative versus absolute references, $1 stays fixed, while A1 moves, and update links if they point to the wrong sheet. If something went wrong, press Ctrl plus Z right away to undo the paste, then adjust your selection or use Paste Special values. Finally, tidy appearance with clear formats or the Format Painter. If numbers display oddly, check cell formatting and regional settings to resolve decimal and currency mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.